Today the topic is interchangeability and selective assembly. The presentation explore the concept of interchangeability and selective assembly, highlight their roles in modern manufacturing and exploring the advantages and challenges. Introduction to manufacturing and precision. Interchangeability means a component can be swapped without needing the adjustment. This is an essential modern manufacturing and drive product performance and reliability. Global market for precision component is estimated $4 billion because showcasing economic and significance. Interchangeability. Interchangeability, manufacturing parts can be replaced without modifications. It is a critical mass productions, repair, modular designs. Types of interchangeability: full interchangeabilities, partial interchangeabilities, dimensional interchangeabilities. These are the types of interchangeabilities. Every parts fit without any modifications, require tight tolerance, high precisions, and examples of ball bearing, electric components. These are the examples of full interchangeabilities. Partial interchangeabilities: some parts require slight adjustment. Some parts minor rework. Examples: car engines and auto components. Third one is dimensional interchangeabilities. Ensure the matching parts with the tolerance fit based on the limits based on the ISO grades. Advantages: speed of assembly and repair, reduce the production cost, ensure the product reliabilities. These are the comparisons of interchangeability as selective assembly. The cost wise, lowering tool and higher inspection of interchangeabilities, higher tooling and lower inspections, lower fit precisions, high rejection rate, high precisions, lower rates, faster assemblies, flexibilities in interchangeabilities, slower assembly and more flexible in selective assemblies. Implementing the selective assembly, the step-by-step process, measuring the components, sort by size, specifications and assembly groups, and monitor and adjust the quality. First, ensure the product should be within the limits. Tools and technologies: utilize the measurement systems, shortening equipment and specialty software for effective processing. The measurement systems should be in standard. Shortening equipments, no need to additional equipments. We can solve the all process by one equipments. Quality control measures: implement statistical process control, that means SPC, and Six Sigma principles to maintain high quality standards. Future trends of advanced measurement, laser scanning, AI power inspection technology will further re-precisions. Nowadays they are using the CMM. Industry in sustainability considerations: optimize the assembly, reduce the waste and promote sustainable manufacturing practice. Optimize the assembly, reduce the wastes. The pre-designs will help to reducing the quality defects and control the rework and rejections. It's promote the sustainable manufacturing practices Industry 4 integrations. Internet of Things will enable real-time shortening and matching optimizations in assemblies. Now, based on the conclusions, interchangeability and selective assembly is a crucial success of modern manufacturing industries. Key takeaway including understanding the cost and quality trade-off, implementing appropriate control measures, and embracing technology advancements. Precision is the key to a thrive global supply chains.